Hey, I'm Allie Dosdell for We Are Memory Keepers, and I'm really excited to share with you a tip today for using the DIY party board. This board allows you to make all kinds of fun paper partyware, but today I want to show you a fun way you can use those scraps when you cut out your projects. So first of all, I'm going to take off these extra templates, these guides, because I don't need those. I'm going to work with my C template or my C guide, and I am going to make a cupcake wrap. This is a mini cupcake wrap. And then we're going to use the scraps to make these cute little treat cones. You can see these are great for like a wedding or a baby shower or a bridal shower, just a perfect little favor. So I cut my paper down already to 5 by 5 because that's what it tells me on the board that I need for the mini cupcake wrap. I'm going to just slide that down in here into this little guide at the end there. And I'm going to put my C guide on number 6 first to make my first cut. Slide that notch right into my track. And then I've got that scrap. And then we're going to slide this down here to 5. And this is all in your instruction booklet, of course, and on the board. And then we're just going to slide that across. There's our mini cupcake wrap. So I would take my adhesive, pop that on there, pull that off, and then you're just going to roll it up. Okay, right? So there's your mini cupcake wrap. Now, what do we do with this leftover piece? Take a look at that. That's perfect for a treat cone. That's exactly what you're cutting when you're making a treat cone. So I'm just going to move this out of the way for a second. We're going to put this way, take your adhesive right here on this side, and pull off the excess on the top. And then I'm going to just fold that over, pull off some more excess, and then you're just going to wrap it up just like you would with the larger treat cone that you make on this board. And then you've got your little treat cone. This is perfect favor, like I said, for weddings, for baby showers, bridal showers. Great way to use up your paper scraps so you're not wasting anything. Thanks for joining me. I'm Allie Dosdell for We Are Memory Keepers.